morning all. Already we have started business cycles in last videos only, and phases also, features also completed, and causes already started, and some of the causes we are completed in last videos. So these causes are broadly divided into two categories. That is already we know that is first one is internal and second one is external causes. So internal causes are again broadly divided into four categories: fluctuations in effective demand, fluctuations in investment, money supply, and psychological factors. So in these factors we are completed two important factors also, that is the fluctuations in effective demand and fluctuations in investment also we are discussed in last videos. Today we are going to discuss about the money supply as well as psychological factors. Through completing of these two causes we are completing causes of business cycles. First part of business cycles we are completed, that is internal causes. So now we are going to discuss about the money supply. So money supply is the main important monetary phenomena, that is the main cause for the fluctuations in business activities, mainly explained by Hartre. So according to Hartre, business fluctuations or trade fluctuations main role will be played by monetary phenomena only. Means fluctuations in monetary phenomena is the main reason for seeing of business fluctuations in the economic activities, and at the same time either government or otherwise private people, if they are unplanned changes in money supply is also following in economic activities, then at least we are seeing fluctuations in economic activities as well as business cycles also. So money supply, either increasing the money supply, either decreasing the money supply, these two causes main reason is we are seeing as a fluctuations in business activity. So that's why these money supply we are discussing two ways of causes, that is first one is increase in supply of money. So increasing the supply of money, it will be expansion in aggregate demand, and then it leads to boom, because aggregate demand is increases, then automatically consumption pattern is also increased, income of the people is also increases, then employment is also increased, output is also increases. So capital is easily available to the investors. So when we are seeing expansion stage of aggregate demand, it leads to boom or peak stage we are seeing, then automatically banks also they are providing good capital to the investors at lower rate of interest. Then consumers as well as producers also easily they can take borrowings from the credits, borrowings from the banks to take the credits, and at the same time they are using for investment purpose as well as their need purpose also they are using. Then it leads to excessive increase of credit and money supply in the society we are seeing. So overflow of money supply is leads to we are seeing as a stage of inflation. So that's why if increasing the money supply, then it leads to expansion of the aggregate demand as well as increase the capital flow in the society with a low rate of interest. Then at the same time excessive increase in the supply of credit and money in the society, then it leads to we are seeing one fluctuation, that is we can call as inflation also. So that is also one of the cause for seeing of fluctuations of business activity. Next, second one is decrease in money supply. So whether increasing the money supply is also one of the stage of business cycle. If a decrease in money supply, then how to it is the cause for the business cycle. Then contraction of credit facilities. Contraction is nothing but compared to before that, now credit facilities little bit will be decreases. Then investment is also lesser we are seeing in the society, then it leads to lesser investment in the society, lesser demand and fall in output, employment in. So based on the decrease in money supply is leads to credit creation will be decrease in the society, then lesser investable amount we are seeing in the society, then it leads to producers or businessmen they are taking less investment and they are using less investment in production activity. Then when they are using less investment for the production activity, it leads to output is decreased, production is decreased, automatically income of the employees is also bigger. Main reason is if they are decrease the production, it leads to they are appointing less laborers only, excessive laborers are they are removing or cut off. Automatically we are seeing less employment, then less income of the people, then we are seeing as a unemployment in the society. So employment levels will be fall down in the society, then at least we are seeing as a recession. So either increase in the money of supply or decrease in the money of supply, two is fluctuating the business activities in the society is we can call as money supply. That is also one of the cause in internal causes of business cycle. Next we are going to last and final part of internal cause, that is psychological factors. So even psychological factors is also playing an important role in business cycle. That is mainly explained by A.C. Pigou. He is only explained mainly, full name is A.C. Pigou. A.C. Pigou, he is explained psychological factors of the businessman's also or business activities also will be seeing fluctuations of the business activities or business cycles in the society. So what type of fluctuations we are seeing? That is anticipation theory. Anticipation is nothing but expectation about the future is we can call as anticipation. Anticipation is nothing but expectation. So this expectation theory mainly explained by Pigou. So these expectations will be shows the waves of the optimism and pessimism. So what about this optimism? What about the pessimism? If the businessmen they are having optimism, feeling of psychology means psychological feeling is optimism, means they are expecting more income will be getting through producing of goods, then they are following good methods in production activity is leads to improve the output, improve the employment, improve the investment, improve the incomes of the people. Everything is it is applicable to their mind situation of either optimism or pessimism. If they are having pessimism, then internally they are having feeling maybe chances are there to get less income in future days, or if they are producing the more quantity of output, maybe chances are there will get less income. So this type of feeling they are getting internally, then automatically it leads to decrease the production, investment, employment, income of the everything is will be decreases. So expectation theory of the businessmen will be shows the waves of the business cycles. What type of waves will be shows optimism and pessimism feelings of the psychological feelings of the businessmen is also leads to the business cycle. And one more theory, some more theories also will be having, that is innovation theory mainly explained by Schumpeter. That is already we know that this is very important for the CA foundation bit also, because every time they are asking which economist is given for importance to the implementation of innovations in business activity, and this work is main function of which factors of production, like that they are asking for the CA foundation bit. So that's why it's very important for CA foundation. Innovation theory mainly explained by Schumpeter. Every producer or organizer or entrepreneur main function is always make the changes in their production activity on the basis of changes in the society. If they are making changes in the production activity, is leads to either it is expansion stage or will be reached the peak or boom, or otherwise if they are not following, contraction or recession will be seeing in the business activity. So time to time if they are making the changes in the production activities is we can call as innovation, and using of new techniques, new production methods, new machineries, equipment, new production, creating anything new is we can call as innovation. So every time they are making changes in production activities will be followed by the producer, then compulsory it leads to changes in the business activities, leads to we can call as a cause of either good stage or bad stage of business activity or economic activity. And one more theory is also will be having, that is cobweb theory mainly explained by Nicholas Calder. Nicholas Calder also will be given one theory to the business cycle, that is also one of the cause for business cycle, that is we can call it as cobweb theory. So cobweb theory mainly explains the what about the present prices influence the production of some future date. So here also producers, they are expecting about the what about the fluctuations in the price of good or output in a future date they are expecting. If they are expecting these present prices are influence the future date prices of goods and services, then it leads to we are seeing the fluctuations in business activity. So that is also one of the cause we are seeing as a psychological factor. So these are all we can call as internal causes of business cycles. Internal causes are broadly divided into four categories. Fluctuations in effective demand is nothing but aggregate demand, and fluctuations in investment either increase or decrease. And what about the fluctuations in money supply like increase and decrease? What about the psychological factors mainly explained by three economists we are seeing here, A.C. Pigou, Schumpeter and Nicholas Calder. And pessimism, optimism is the main reason we are seeing here, as well as innovation is also one of the reason. Our present prices influence the production of the future date or some future date prices of goods and services. That is the psychological feeling of the any entrepreneur or producer is also one of the reason for seeing of fluctuations, waves of the business cycles. So this is what about the internal causes of business cycle. And next video we are going to discuss about the external causes of business cycles. So if you are like this video, please subscribe my channel and forward to your friends also. Thank you.